Assalamualaikum you guys, hope you're doing well. Another day, another video. You can see here I am at Wall of the Emirates, and the amount of people that put down from the metro, I was amazed. So many people are coming here. I don't know why. Maybe they are taking some buses or whatsoever. See how much of a crowd the Do outlet has. Anyhow, I just came here for some work. I had to get a broken protector fixed for my another device and for some other things. So I'll keep you guys with me. It's a work day, and post work I'm here, and it's about to be more than a week since we have Eid al-Adha. So yeah, that's it. So welcome to my new video today, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's scroll around in Mall of Emirates for today. So guys, here I am. You could see I am in front of Boots and Bath and Body Works. I wanted to show you that okay, so first this side it has pretty jewelry shops like the real gold and diamonds, and we have Bath and Body Works here. There's a sale ongoing. If you want to catch something, go and grab from here. Also Boots have some offers as well. So I came here for getting a protector replaced for my Samsung. You could see now it's proper. Earlier, you know, see now it's proper. Earlier it was totally broken. It fell down and it broke. Though I got the earlier one from Samsung as well, but then I don't know what happened. It absolutely broke while it fell down. So you could see here we have Next as well. So I would just hop around and see few other things, and let me take you guys along with me, and let's see what we do today in Mall of Emirates. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to still avail some sales regarding the Dubai super sale that was for the weekend, you can always come here, because outlets like Bath and Body Works still have sale on. So, and I could see from here, I could see Coach over there. So let's just do some window shopping. We did for the Outlet Village Mall as well. Like I did a thorough one over there. Let me do a bit of a window one over here to see if they are on sale over here as well, which I know they won't be. But let's just go and try. And it's still not the Maghrib time. It's 6:30, and Maghrib is around 7:10, 7:05. So this is how it is. So let's just go, hop around, see stuff, and keep you guys with me. So guys, this side of the mall has some prettiest looking sites itself. You could see the top, the roof, the way that they have prepared it, and you could see the domes and the prettiness. And then you have most of the brands over there. You have some luxury brands over here, like we have an LV, which is one of the most famous LV in Dubai. I think Mall of Emirates also, Dubai Mall also has a good one, but that is a bigger one though. But people mostly come over here to buy stuff. So yeah, I'll take you towards the coach side as well. So I just want to show you how pretty it looks in the daytime as well, because I get to come over here very less during the daytime. So I wanted to show you. And then we have cafes everywhere over here. So it just has such a different, cute, pretty vibe in itself, Mall of Emirates. A very elite vibe. So yeah, I just wanted to give you my 2 cents on that. Also guys, now on the first floor, this time we have a pop-on store for Gucci. You could see, and earlier they used to be on the ground floor, but this time they are here with all the shoes and bags, and the scarves as well. Gucci is a bit affordable as compared to LV and all. So, and I like rather love their perfumes. So we have Christian Louboutin and a few other ones. I think the other part of the Gucci one that has the fragrances in it. Let's just go and have a quick look before I just show you Dior from outside. And it's like a total vibe. Again, we have LV over here, and okay, it's also a pop-on store for what you say, just the usual stuff. I thought they would be having perfumes here, but then there are glasses and all over here. For men, I think it's for men. The other one is for females. So yeah, they are having a pretty much pop-up over here, so if you want to come and have a visit. So guys, okay, coach also says that it has sale of 30 to 50%. So if you want to come over, and I like this yellow one a lot. It goes so much with the vibe, and it's so pretty, mashallah. Like really pretty. Anyhow, they have many amazing ones. So maybe I go inside and try a few of them to see what I like. But the outlet mall, it has the most superb sale ever. So I don't know if the same one is here or not, but maybe we'll just go and try and see which ones are on the sale, and I'll show it to you before I have to do another small thing, and then I'll come back to Coach. So guys, actually the Coach people, they didn't let me film inside. That's how it is. You need to ask them. If they don't allow, so we cannot go inside and shoot. Oh, look at mango, how colorful their variety, the summer variety is. So the sale was just okay. It was not that good the way I found it in the outlet village mall. So if you want to buy bags, especially from Coach, MK, Furla, then do visit outlet village mall. You would find much better deals over there, because they are available on the factory outlet prices. So now I'm going to grab a bite somewhere. All my work is being done. So usually some pop-up is here all the time in this middle platform, but today it's not. Nothing is here, and I have to go that way, and I'll show you where I'm going, and I'll review their food for you as well. Rather no food, it would be more like tea and shisha, because the malls, look at how pretty it looks. The malls are pretty cold right now, so a good and awesome cup of tea would soothe that coldness that's going into the body. And you just see the prettiness. At work, I'm keeping a shawl with me at all times to avoid the cold, but here I forgot to bring it because outside it's so hot, like you're melting, and inside they have made it super cold. Like I have goosebumps right now, it's so cold. So yeah, this is the Harvey Nicholas, and I'll go outside. I'll show you where I'm going. And here is the Debenhams. I have Joe Malone here. Yeah, let's go and show you the last part of the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know what kind of content you want to see on my channel. And look at this pretty thing. I like Marc Jacobs bags a lot, and this one is so cute. So guys, here I am at Hookahbaz. It's the Hookahbaz garden. It's in Mall of the Emirates. You can see they have given it a garden-like look, and I'm having their signature shisha. It's really good, I must say. They are pretty pricey and expensive. Like I could just order a tea and a shisha because it's very costly, but the shisha is very good. So if you want to have a day out for a good shisha, then you can always come here. And the environment is good, the staff is good, but the place is really expensive, so you can come maybe once a month, just maximum. And that's it for today's video. I'll enjoy my shisha and watch some show, and just happy with the protector that I changed for my device, and enjoy my tea. And I'll catch up with you guys in my very next video. Until then, take care, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.